I'm gonna do a background sponge. Doesn't have to be perfect. First of all, I take a look at what I'm going to be painting. I'm doing another one of these, but I'm going to be painting the white. And so the background is going to be black. So before I put the stencil on, I add the colors that I want. It's good to have the stencil available so that I can see where I'm going to want the color in black. I want to keep the face pretty black, which is why I have this here. I don't want too much color on the face. So I'm going to start with that. Just spread it around. And then this is going to be white right here, but there is going to be some color over here that's going to be showing through. So I do want to make sure that I get some color over there. There is going to be color over here also. So I want to make sure that there's some color over there. Now I did just try to grab some black from there, so I need to make sure that I don't do that too much, because then I'll end up with black on my cat face. And I don't want this to be too vibrant, but I do want you to actually be able to see some colors. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I want a little bit of purple over here. And there's a lot of white down here. There's a little spot down here. I haven't decided if I want it to be black or not. I'll just kind of avoid it for now. Maybe I'll go through with a lighter blue as well. This blue is very dark. See if I have a lighter blue on hand. The ones I have there are just dark. Just dark colors. Orange. Let's go with a little bit of green. Oh, I should put that back on and mix it before I get into it. It's separated. Yeah, I think having 3 colors would be nice. And I'm gonna have to wait for this to dry before I put my stencil on. It's very important. I'm gonna use the other side of my sponge here to get that black leveled out a little bit more. Now I want this to just kind of highlight a little bit. And then once I go over it with my black sponge, it will tone down a bit, like that. I don't want it to scream at you too much. I really want this stencil to be able to be the main focus, but be able to have a little bit of fun color in the background. So there you go. That's how I do that. And I do want to leave this blank for his, my hands are somewhat clean, I can show you, for his outfit here. So that's going to be where that goes. All right, I'm going to set that aside. Cool, cool.